Welcome to Fit in 5 by Cult Fit Life. We often tend to have bad postures because of long seated hours. So let me take you through a quick 5-minute routine to better your posture. Be seated in front of the chair. Roll your shoulders back. Interlock your fingers. As you inhale, take your arms a little away from your hip, lift your chest, look up. Keep breathing here. Feel the expansion in your chest. 1, 2, straighten your arms. 3, 4, 5. Exhale to release. We do another posture. Keep your feet hip width apart. Roll your shoulders back. As you inhale, stretch your arms from the sides. Interlock your fingers. Point your index finger up. Let your arms be closer to your ears. We do dynamic and then hold. Inhale. Exhale, lateral stretch to your right. Inhale, center. Exhale, left. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, exhale. One last. Inhale, center. Exhale to your right. Stay there. Breathe. Keep stretching your arms. 3, 2, 1. Inhale, center. Exhale to your left. Stretch those arms. 1, 2, 3. Inhale, center. Exhale to release. The third one we'll be doing is Gomukhasana. For this, stretch your right arm up. Place your right palm in between your shoulder blades. Left arm at shoulder level. Internally rotate your arm. If you're comfortable, hold on to your fist. I will show you this way. If you're not able to reach, it's fine. Just stretch wherever you can. Keep your chin parallel. Breathe. Press the back of your head against your arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale to release. Let's do this on the other side. Stretch your left arm up. Place your left palm in between your shoulder blades. Right arm at shoulder level. Internally rotate. Interlock or grab hold of your fingers. Keep your chest lifted. Breathe here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale to release. Now we will do a spinal twist. Keeping your feet hip width apart. Keep your spine straight. Inhale, stretch both your arms up. Exhale, place your left palm on your right thigh. Take your right arm and hold the top of the chair. Keep the chest lifted. Look sideways. Breathe here. Keep your elbows bent. 1, 2. See if you can twist a little more. 3, 4, 5. Inhale, stretch your arms up. Exhale, twist to your left. Keep your spine straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, center. Exhale to release. We do one last posture, which will be the standing posture. So if you're not comfortable, you can remove your shoes or your slippers. You will stand behind the chair. From here, take a little distance away. Bend your right knee. As you inhale, lift your thighs up, toes pointing up to the ceiling. Stretch your shoulders. Stay here for 3, 2, 1. Exhale to release. Feel a good stretch. Now bend your left knee Hold on to your left ankle. Lift. Keep pointing the toes towards the ceiling. Breathe here. 3, 2, 1. Exhale to release. I hope you enjoyed this quick 5-minute routine. For more yoga videos, do explore Cult Fit app. Thank you.